a tabletop. This is just a quick video of our easy two-color tie-dye. You can do this at home in less than 10 minutes. This whole video has not been sped up or anything. It's all at speed and only has a couple cuts in it. It's pretty much the whole process of us from the time we pull it out of the soda ash from soaking it all the way to the point where we dye it. Tomorrow I'm going to have a video coming of us actually rinsing out and washing the shirt and seeing the final result, so make sure and come back for that. And drop a comment below on anything you'd like us to change or do differently in these videos. Alrighty, y'all enjoy the show. Looking good, babes, it's looking good. What design is this going to be?
A bullseye.
A bullseye, you say?
A bullseye, I say. Bending on potato.
There you go. All good? All good?
Yeah.
Don't abandon it.
Just band it.
Just band it. Don't abandon it. Just band it with babeses.
Banding with big.
Banding with babeses. Oh yeah. Oh, you ready to tie-dye, Oslo? Got the sneezes? Bless you. Here we go, folks. No. Oslo's always trying to ruin my shot. There we go, folks. Time to put some color on it. Is that your magenta?
That's my pink.
Your pink. Alrighty. And the turquoise.
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 I'm trying to decide, should I leave a little bit of white?
Whatever you think is appropriate. I would go most of the way with the color though. Why not? You know what I mean? That looks like a good blend if you ask me. But what do I know?
Nothing, because you're a man.
Exactly. Pretty colors, babes.
Thank you, babies.
Pretty colors. I think this one's gonna look really good.
I think so too.
Nice simple design with vibrant colors. The 10-minute tie-dye. Look at that, folks. Beautimous. Beautimous.
Well, I also got some onesies that we could tie-dye.
Sounds good to me. And the crib sheets.
Yep.
Hear that, folks? Never failing again. We got crib sheets. I know it's not funny.
You're always funny. We're about to order some more products that'll hopefully make our tie-dyes a little bit better.
Yeah, huge order, actually. Babs here has gone through and selected a number of nice pastel dyes and additives and
Yep.
products and chemicals to,
More bottles.
yeah, more bottles so we can have more colors, all sorts of things to just improve our tie-dyes. So hopefully that'll be here by the beginning of next week.
I don't remember how long it took last time.
It wasn't too long. It came while we were at the
I was
hospital.
about to say, it was while we were at the hospital and I was, in labor.
Yeah. Looky there. Looks good, don't you think?
I think it's beautiful.
Awesome. See y'all tomorrow afternoon.